Back everyone, this is Preeti from Hassan Institute of Medical Science. In this video, we'll be studying about fat necrosis, which is an important question which has been asked in previous years for a 5-mark question, that is in a revised syllabus 2, and also for a 10-mark question under necrosis. You have to write this fat necrosis. Fat necrosis means where the focal areas of fat will be destructed. Adipocytes will be destructed in particular area. This will be usually seen in a in a body where there is a rich fat content. Examples: thighs, breasts, and all. You will see fat necrosis. And types of fat necrosis will be enzymatic fat necrosis and traumatic fat necrosis. Traumatic fat necrosis is simple. After following a trauma, that is after a trauma, there will be necrosis in the fat-rich tissue. This is known as traumatic fat necrosis. And enzymatic fat necrosis is for this example is acute pancreatitis. In pancreatitis, you know that there will be enzymes in pancreas. Enzymes will be produced in pancreas. The enzymes from the acinar cells directly leak into the substance of the pancreas, and then it destroys the substance of the pancreas and the peritoneal cavity. This is known as enzymatic fat necrosis. It causes damage to that pancreas tissue. That enzymes leaked out from the acinar cells will cause damage to the pancreas, substance of the pancreas and peritoneal cavity. This is known as enzymatic fat necrosis. The lipase destroys the fat cells and split into triglycerol esters. Triglycerol esters. Lipase destroys fat cells and also it splits triglycerol esters. Because these are lipids are destroyed by lipase. This is about the fat necrosis, the types of fat necrosis. Now we'll see about the gross appearance. Gross appearance of fat necrosis is chalky white appearance. You can see in this image, you can see white areas here. These are chalky white appearance. These are gross features of fat necrosis. See, this is a fat necrosis. Gross feature is chalky white appearance. And morphological features will be: fat cells appear pale. Fat cells usually the outline should be eosinophilic. It is pale. You cannot see anything over here, but little shadow type thing you can see. So it appears pale with a shadows outline. It's surrounded by the basophilic calcium deposit. You can see your basophilic substances are all bluish color. This is a calcium deposition around the necrotic area. There is a deposition of calcium. This is the other feature of microscopic feature of fat necrosis. And inflammatory cells, you can see this blue small tiny dots like appearance. These are inflammatory cells. These are about the microscopic features of fat necrosis. That is, you cannot see. These are shaded fat cells with a shadow outline, opaque. No cytoplasm is visible, and the calcium is deposited, which appears basophilic color, and inflammatory cells. These small dots are inflammatory cells. This is about the microscopic features of fat necrosis. You learned about the gross features, microscopic features, types of fat necrosis, and location where it occurs. This is for that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed till.